Hi artists! Welcome to another peel off paint along video where we paint, peel, and create something together. My name is Melissa, and today we're using complementary colors to create fall leaves that pop off your paper. Complementary colors are opposites on the color wheel. Blue's complement is orange, red's is green, yellow's is purple. Side by side, they make each other look brighter. Mixed together, they create a dull neutral tone, perfect for shadows. That's the magic of complementary colors. Here's what you'll need. Paint tools like brushes or sponges, canvas paper, your peel-off leaf stencils, red and green paint, a palette if you're mixing colors, a paper towel, and a cup of water for rinsing brushes. Make sure you also have something to keep your workspace clean, like newspaper or a tablecloth. Let's start with the background. We're using green paint, which will be the base of our leaves to really stand out. You can use a brush, a sponge, or a roller, whatever feels comfortable. Spread your green paint evenly across the canvas. Don't worry about perfection. We just want a nice, even wash of color. If you want to step your painting up a little bit, you can even use different tones of green in your background to create depth or highlights. That's called adding values. Once your background is dry, we're gonna peel off our leaf stencil. Just find an edge, use your nail or the spatula included with the stencil, and carefully peel off your stencil off the canvas. Then you can put it onto the backing paper that it came with so you can reuse it for another project in the future. Now we're gonna paint the leaves using red paint, the complementary color to green. You'll see how much the leaves pop against the green background. Use a small brush for detail or a sponge for a soft effect. Don't forget, you can add darker red for shading and lighter red for highlights if you'd like. This helps your leaves look round and three-dimensional. Teachers and parents, you can encourage your students to notice how complementary colors make each other look brighter and more exciting. And there you have it, a simple, vibrant leaf painting that teaches complementary colors while being fun for beginners. Remember, you can reuse your stencils to create more leaves or even make a whole fall scene. Thanks for painting along. Don't forget to check out Peiloff.com for leaf stencils and more. And hit subscribe for more easy paint-alongs and teaching tips.